Good morning, dear children. How are you? Now, children, what can you see in the pictures? Yes, we can see sleeping people, alarm clock, dream, etc. Okay, so our today's new theme, live the dream and sleep more. Learning objectives, use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about the growing range of general topics and some curricular topics. Deduce meaning from context in short texts on a growing range of familiar general and curricular topics. Lesson objectives. All learners will be able to understand the main idea of the text on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Listen and repeat the new words.
New vocabulary. Snooze. Mızgып алу. Familiar. Tanыс. On average. Орта есеппен. Tiredness. Шаршау. Concentrate. Жиналу, топталу. Lack. Кемшілік. Solution. Шешім. Suffer from. Азаптану.
Listen to the text and answer the question. Now, peoples, watch the video.
Live the dream. Sleep more. Some experts think that it's the biggest teen problem today. A lack of sleep can have serious effects for people of all ages. But for teenagers, who are still growing, sleep is particularly important. When your alarm goes off in the morning, do you ever reach out and turn it off? Do you like to just snooze for another 5 minutes? Did you know that teenagers actually need to sleep for an hour longer than adults on average? Teenagers feel more energetic in the evening compared to adults. That means it's more difficult for them to sleep early. Their bodies want to sleep late at night. As a result, they also like to wake up late in the morning. However, because of school, this just isn't possible. A modern reason for lack of sleep is that many teens use electronic devices like smartphones and tablets late at night. These flashing electronic screens make the brain more alert. That certainly doesn't help teens fall asleep quickly. Instead, it takes longer for them to relax and fall asleep. People often eat unhealthy food to help them stay awake too. Too little sleep makes a young person feel less enthusiastic about exercising, and they can also lose attention at school. During sleep, the brain stores all the information and skills learnt that day so we can remember it later on. Get more sleep and a better night's sleep with a good evening routine. Eat your dinner early so you don't go to bed on a full stomach. About an hour before you go to bed, start doing something quiet and relaxing. Also, go to bed and get up at the same times every night and day. This helps your body to learn when you need to sleep. How many hours do you sleep at night? Do you get enough sleep? How do you think a lack of sleep affects you?
Who is the article for? What is the author's purpose? So, our next task, read the text again and mark the sentence 1 and 6 as true or false. Correct the false sentence. Teenagers think they get enough sleep. The second, teenagers have the same sleeping habits as adults. The third, sleep protects for you from illness. Sleeping less can improve your diet. The fifth, technology can stop you from sleeping. And the sixth, it's a good idea to keep to the same bedtime. The correct answers. Teenagers think they get enough sleep. False. Teenagers have the same sleeping habits as adults. False. Sleep protects you from illnesses. True. False. Sleeping less can improve your diet. False. Technology can stop you from sleeping. True. It's a good idea to keep the same bedtime. True. The second task, match the words. Sounds full, boost your state, alarm, feel, balanced sleeping. Correct answers. Sound familiar, full stomach, boost your performance, state awake, alarm went off, feel sleepy, balanced diet, sleeping habits. So, pupils, your home task exercise number 6. Goodbye, children. See you soon.